Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we discuss about initializing a double scripted array. So you can see that you can initialize a multi-dimensional array whenever you define it. For example, you can see that we have defined array1 and we have also initialized it using the initializer list. The values in the initializer list, they are grouped by row in braces. And the values in the first set of braces, they are initializing row 0, and the values in the second set of braces, they are initializing row 1. Now here we have defined that array1 will have 2 rows and 3 columns, and we have provided values based on that. 1 row and 2 row, and in each row 1 value, 2 value and 3 value for each column. 1, 2 and 3. Now let's go and print this array using the print array function, which we have defined, but we will not discuss it in this episode and we will discuss it in the next episode. But for the time being, this function is printing the array for us. Let's run this program. Now you can see that array1 has been initialized to value 1, 2, 3 and the first row or row 0, and it has been initialized to values 4, 5 and 6 in the second row or row 1. Now let's go and see array2. Array2 has 2 rows and 3 columns, but you can see that we have defined the values of 2 rows, but in the second row we have not defined the values of the last column. And whatever value that we have not defined, it has been automatically initialized to 0. And the same way you can see that in array3 we have 2 rows and 3 columns. The value of the first row is provided completely, but the value of the second row, only the first column has been provided. The second column and the third column has been automatically and implicitly initialized to 0. And that's how initializing a multi-dimensional array works. Stay tuned as we discuss how to print arrays in the next episodes.